Hello, we are now with Consulid, Marine and Aziz. They are going to talk about Consulid. They are the last two speakers for this morning, and welcome and thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What is Consulid?
Yeah.
So, Consulid, first, hello everybody. Here is Aziz, the secretary of Consulid, and I'm Marine, the current president of Consulid. So, what is Consulid? First, we wanted to talk about numbers. So, as you may know, in 2018, there was 14,000 PhD students who were graduated. And even if you're in first year and all of you may want to do their career in academic research, as you can see on the graph, the reality is a bit different. As you can see here, only 50% of PhD students pursue their career in academic research, and about 40% are doing their career in the private field. So that's why Consulid is here. So what is Consulid again? As a PhD student, you have many skills and qualities that you may not know yet, like autonomy. You have an expertise in a precise field. You know how to communicate. You know team working. You're precise, and generally you know how to manage a project. And all those skills enterprises are looking for those skills. So they can ask you for consulting, so you can give advice to enterprises who are looking for precision or who are trying to build a project. And you are what we can call an advisor. So people like you can give the professional or an expertise or advice to an enterprise in different fields such as business methods, human resources, healthcare, etc. So those are Consulid's goals. So Consulid is here to help you to discover the private field, to highlight the PhD students' potential to enterprises, and to make PhD students think about their occupational integration, because there is no 100% of you that will continue in academic research. So it's already time to think about your future career now. So you can do mission or expertises in many fields, such as the technological watch, audit and consulting. You can do feasibility studies, or you can train some people in specific technique. So, Aziz, if you want to explain how mission is going on.
Okay. Thank you, Marine. So now you know what is Consulid. So now I'm going to present how a mission takes place. So the mission takes place in 4 steps. First of all, you have a meeting with the client to better understand his needs. And then Consulid did a financial proposal to the client. From there, if the client accepts this proposal, we can start the second step to create properly the project. During this step, we form the project team and we make the recruitment of a PhD student. During this step, we develop the methodology to execute the mission. And in the third step, we have the execution of the mission, where the PhD executes the mission properly, under the supervision of the project manager. And during this step, the client, the consumer also, can have a look at the progress of the project. And finally, at the end, when all of task is performing by the PhD student, they present the result to the consumer. And all documents afterward are sent to the client, and the PhD student can be paid if all of task is finished. So that is the all 4 steps, what the mission can be done. The field of interest. Consulid is interested by several fields, such as food and medicine, smart cities, including also smart transportation system with sustainable cities, and digital technologies which open up new horizons. Consulid can count on a wide diversity of PhD student profiles to execute their consulting mission. In fact, there are around 2,000 PhD students at University of Lille. So we think we are be sure to find the competent PhD students to execute our consulting mission. And currently, Consulid count around 40 PhD students as members. The new Consulid team. The new Consulid team is composed by 5 members, including one boy, so me, so lucky. In the management pool, you have the president, Marines, the treasurer, Charlotte, and the secretary general, me, Aziz. In the com and event pool, you have Ludivine and Mary. Consulid also animates a couple of activities, such as webinar with, for example, ConsulLive, where we invite an actor of private files to share his experience with a PhD student. So during this webinar, PhD students have the possibility to ask this professional about the specification that they want to know and what they want to do after the thesis. You have also the training on consulting and management, and we have work after works where PhD students can meet other colleagues to discuss and enjoy themselves. For example, they can create a network, and it is very important for them to be, as I can say, more happy during the thesis, and so more. For example, we would like to organize this year the trips to travel to the PhD career fair, but unfortunately, this event has been in digital format. So maybe next year, we hope we hope that. So, so I think for the PhD student, by joining Consulid, you will have the possibilities to gain professional experience, to apply your theoretical knowledge in the specific fields. So you will be also as close as possible to the private fields, and you will be have the possibilities to develop your professional network to continue your career later. And all of things will be done in a group, an association that you will be you will contribute to grow. And that is the next step. So, to finish, I will let my president to conclude the presentation, and maybe if you have a question, we can discuss later. Thank you.
So, we have heard many excuses because we know you all are in first year, and you're all thinking that the thesis is just starting. But with Aziz, we can say that time flies, and even more when we are doing a PhD. So. The excuses like I don't have enough time, or I'm afraid to perform a mission, or it's my first year thesis, I have time to think about my career. We don't want to hurt them. You have to think about your professional career right now. It's important. Trust us.
Yes.
So if you want to join us, it's simple. You have to be a PhD student at the University of Lille. You have to follow one course, which is called Métiers du Conseil, that you can find on ADUM. And contact us. You can find us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. And please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us at our email address, or here if you have some question already. So thank you.
Thank you. On the chat, I don't have any questions, but I do have some.
Yes.
How long does a mission last?
It depends on the mission, but we don't want to frighten students, so you will have enough time to do the mission and to do your thesis, because if you have a mission which is during 1 week, you will not have to do the mission on 1 week straight, but you will have the possibility to do one journey in a week, one day in a week, or 2 days in a week. Yeah, you can
split.
extend
Yes.
the duration time for the mission.
Okay, it's not a complete month.
No.
It's not a complete week.
No.
It's maybe 5-10 days.
Yeah.
5-10 days during 3 months.
Yeah.
like
3
this.
months.
Yes.
And is it paid? PhDs are paid for this?
Yes, they are paid. That's the cool part
It's not
of the
free?
job.
Yes.
Yes, they are paid.
Yes. If a job is done, yes, they will pay for that.
So it's the interesting part. You're learning more about the private field, and
Yes.
you can be paid for your job.
Yeah, you will got money.
So your advice is to follow the course Métier du Conseil.
Yes.
It will help to do this. We have also Challenge Doc that
Yes.
can be helpful
Yes.
to do those missions. Or Doctorial.
Yes.
These are missions in companies. I lost my questions. Is there something else that you can do? Maybe you can give advice when you have new students or when you are contacted?
Mhm. Like, I don't know what you mean.
You can be in charge also of a mission.
Yes.
You help if PhD is not sure of his
Yes.
replies, what he is giving.
Yes, if a PhD is doing a mission, we will be there to help him if he has any question or if he has any interrogation or something like that. So don't worry, if you applied in Consulid, we will be there for you.
So they are not only training, they are also you
Yes,
that can
yes.
help. A question here. Who are you?
Me, as a person?
You and Aziz, you are PhDs too?
Yes.
Yes.
Where and in which year?
Yes. In my third years of thesis, I come from EMT Lille Douai. I'm working on modelization and simulation of mobility, especially on the intermodality. Yeah, I'm interested about the behavior, the intermodal behavior of the peoples. So I'm trying to modelize it by using multi-agent system approach. So I am new in Consulid. I am also interested by Consulid because I would like to follow later in the industry. Yeah, I would like to do the consulting, to apply my knowledge in the private fields. So that's why I joined Consulid.
Okay, you are building your own
Yes,
experience.
yes.
And you're in third year.
Yes, I'm third year.
Marine,
So I'm Marine, I'm a PhD student in third year too, and I'm working on Alzheimer's disease. I'm working on Alzheimer's disease. So here I am. I'm not sure I want to pursue in academic research, so that's why I'm here, because I want to build a network and learn more about enterprises before the end of my PhD.
okay. And you are two scientists,
Yes.
Yes.
but are there missions for SHS, for humanities, for social profiles?
Yes, for example, I met StarDoc last year, or in February, I think, and I met an enterprises which was looking for 2 PhD students in SHS. So the mission is ongoing. So yes, even if you have no skills in scientific field, you can do missions with psychology or sociology. It's totally possible.
Okay. What is the email of Consulid how can they contact you? You told us about social networks,
Yes.
about website.
Yes.
Yes.
Is there an email?
Yes. Just at the top of the.
Oh yes.
Yes, yeah. The contact.
Is it possible to share? Yes, we cannot see it on the screen.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's consulid@univ-lille.fr.
It's on the chat.
Okay.
Cool.
Fine.
Do not hesitate if you have any questions. We will be happy to answer.
Okay. Thank you very much for coming, for presenting
Thank you.
Consulid.
Thank you too.
Thank you to inviting me to invite us.
Yes.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah.
So this morning is over. It's a little bit. I'm a little bit late. A little bit, yes. I had a question about those videos. Are they going to be online? Yes, they are recorded at the moment, and as soon as they are ready, we are going to put them here on the channel YouTube, which is Collège Doctoral Lille Nord-de-France, where you are at the moment. So you can see those videos in, I hope, a few days. Thank you very much to everybody. If you have any questions, you have my email. You can contact me, and I will send you an email very soon to give you the contacts of the persons that spoke today. Have a nice day. Bye.